Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic with your tech tip for today. Our other video, we showed you how to get your valves back up again if you make a mistake and they ended up falling down there. Well, today we're going to show you how to prevent that from happening. We're going to do that with a fitting that goes into your spark plug hole. Okay, so we have our LS1 here for the Firebird, and you can see all the valve stems are pulled up from our other video where we showed you how to get the valves up and put these valve seals on. Now, if you're doing this, you're going to want to do this before you pull any of the valve springs off to prevent that from happening. But what we're going to show you is just how to install it and what it actually does and why you need it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we've already taken the spark plug out, and it's the same threads as the spark plug, so you're just going to thread it into the spark plug hole. Okay, so we have our air hose hooked in here. We have it hooked up to our shop air system. Now, you should be doing this from the beginning, so these heads should already be assembled. There should already be valve springs in there. But since we don't have it, we're gonna show you just what this does and why it comes in handy for that. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull these valves up to seal them to act like it has valve springs in there already. And then I'm gonna turn on the air. Now that cylinder is pressurized and these valve stems will not move. So what you're going to do is once you pull those valve springs off and there's no tension on these anymore, they're not going to fall down because you have that compressed air forcing them back. So you can take your old valve springs off, install your new valve springs, reassemble the heads, and not have any worries about those valves falling down in the cylinder. So there you go, a simple tool that could save you a lot of time and money. Now, on certain engines, if those valves fell down, they would go all the way down to the cylinder and you have to take the cylinder head off. You don't want that to happen, which is why you use this tool. As you can see, you couldn't push those valves down. Now, you can use this while the engine's in the car, while it's out of the car. It's super to have. It was $20 on Amazon, and it's something you definitely need in your toolbox if you're ever going to do valve spring work like this. Now, if you have anything else you'd like to learn, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech. Follow us on TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. Check our other page out, Third Pedal Engineering on Facebook, and we'll see you guys next time.